Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are pleased to present to you Your Madrasah, the online Islamic school for your children. Your Madrasah is a unique online learning platform with an Islamic curriculum approved by scholars in Madeenah. Your Madrasah is inspired by the hadeeth of the Prophet ﷺ, who said that when the son of Adam passes away, all of his actions come to an end except for three: ongoing charity, beneficial knowledge, and a righteous child who makes dua for them. Your Madrasah encompasses all three of these, so you and your children can benefit in this world and the hereafter.
Why choose Your Madrasah? Online Islamic school providing complete Islamic education. Authentic knowledge based on the Qur'an and Sunnah. Live and animated lessons teaching Islam in a fun and engaging way. E-learning, track progress, watch and pause lessons, ask questions and more. Utilizing the latest technology, we use a combination of live lessons and professionally created animated classes so that Your Madrasah students can learn using a variety of methods. Lessons take place 3 days a week, but are recorded so children can catch up in their own time and learn at their own pace. Although Your Madrasah follows the academic calendar, children can enroll at any time. We have created a bespoke e-learning platform to enhance your children's learning. Each student has their own customizable portal, containing numerous features such as the ability to pause, watch and re-watch lessons, track how much of the course they have completed, view their quiz and exam results, track their Qur'an and dua progress, and ask questions at any time. Children are awarded badges for their progress. There are regular competitions and exams with certificates upon completion. We have built an easy-to-use system, simplified for children. Your Madrasah works on all devices, including laptops, tablets and mobiles, so children can learn anywhere, at any time, on any device. Your children will learn Aqeedah, Qur'an and Tafsir, Du'as and Tarbiyah, stories of the Prophets, Arabic, Fiqh, Hadeeth, and the Seerah. There will also be regular live classes for the entire family, where your children's Islamic questions will be answered. Your Madrasah is not just for those who have children, it's for everyone who wants to inspire a child and share in the reward of them seeking knowledge. You can sponsor a child who cannot afford to enroll using our Sponsor a Child option. During our journey in parenthood and seeking knowledge in Madeenah, we spent 6 years developing Your Madrasah, with hundreds of hours spent researching, preparing, teaching and creating high quality videos. We are unique because we teach authentic Islamic knowledge in a fun and engaging way. We truly believe nothing like Your Madrasah exists.
Your Madrasah, founded in the Prophet city, inspired by the Prophet Sunnah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. From our Madrasah to Your Madrasah, enroll your child today.